Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to install a WordPress theme downloaded outside of WordPress and give your website a good looking. This is a website made on my local environment. You can also learn how to set up one of these websites on your computer and make your tests in our videos. So to install a new theme that look pretty much good, we're gonna head to our dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, upload theme, and browse. Then select one of your themes. Install now. Then now installing theme for uploaded file. Install theme installed successfully. Then activate it. And now the theme will ask you to install required plugins. These plugins are essential for the theme to work properly. You can install one by one, or you can check all plugins and then install. You may find some errors like this change will already exist, so that means it's already installed on your website. Now we have these plugins that are installed. We need to activate, so we're gonna click on bulk action and activate. Now everything is set up. So let's reload. And here is the website. You can just add more posts, create pages. And if you are interested in making a video about that, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.